Hey, what's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for y'all today. And what I'm going to try to do is explain sublimation as quick and fast as I can in a nutshell. Because a lot of people still don't quite understand it. So, given these two images here, both of these images are the same image, even though this image does have the contour outline outside of the trees, and this one does not. Both images are the same outside that this one did not have that contour when it was printed and sublimated. All right, but as you can see, exact same image. However, this area right here is not white like this area right here is white. The trees are not in between the trees. That's because sublimation can only be done on light color shirts. Yes, this orange is a light color shirt, but because orange is darker than white, you cannot sublimate white on top of orange. Now if this was red, or if this area right here was gray and we sublimated gray on top of this orange, then you will be able to see that as being gray and not orange. But since white is lighter than orange, and anything that's lighter than this orange will not pick up on this orange shirt. All right. Looks great. Looks great. Looks great. But hopefully that cleared it up. And then I wanted to show off this shirt right here, which is also sublimation of the same design pretty much. But I felt like the tiger was too small on this one. So what I did was, or the Bengal. Man, the Bengals gave it a good run, but now I expect for the Eagles to win, and I should have had an eagle flying in the sky. You know what I'm saying? But look how I took the design, and he looked like he's walking out of the jungle, and this one looks like he's in a portion or a piece of the jungle. You know what I mean? Love them both. This one I definitely went and stoned up when it did the whole stone job. But this design has stones that go in it as well. This one I went with flock. So in person, you can see it. It sits off the garment just a little bit. Gives it that pop. If you're liking this video and you want to learn how to do rhinestone shirts like these, or, you want to even purchase some rhinestone shirts like these, go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below if you see something that you like. Stay tuned because more is coming.